Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 most powerful 5.11 tactical gear on Amazon in 2022. One of the original providers of military and tactical clothing and gear, 5.11 has innovation and resilience at its core. The company takes its name from rock climbing. The company first focused its attention on creating clothing tough enough for rock climbing, but dressy enough for work. This durable, all-day wear caught the attention of FBI agents, who started ordering it for tactical operations. 5.11 shifted its focus to providing servicemen and public safety professionals with everything they need to perform at their best in any situation. So, in this we will mention list of top 5 best 5.11 tactical gear. We make this list based on customer reviews and personal opinion. For further information you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
Hi, I'm Kyle Lamb. I want to show you the new Urban Sniper Pack available from 511. This is the pack that Viking Tactics and 511 worked in conjunction with each other to develop, and I think you're really going to like it. First of all, looking at the front side of the bag here, we have a drag handle here. We also have a drag attachment located on the end. Of course, we've got a nice little spot here where, oh, look at there. You can attach your patches. Nothing wrong with Old Glory. On the sides, we've got places where we can attach camouflaging material. You can put rubber retainer bands here and attach live foliage, or you can actually put canvas or whatever you need to on the front of this. A very clean front side. In this front pouch, we have plenty of room for some of your basic tools. Here I've got a spotting scope, tripod, rangefinder, binos, and of course some ammunition. And we've got these tethers that allow you to adjust how far open this front pouch will go. So rangefinder, bipod, tripod, binos, spotting scope, and of course, wouldn't have success without some Hornady ammunition. This bag comes in 3 different sizes. When I lay this out flat, of course I have my rifle here, and inside I have quick detach retainer bands so I can actually pull my system out. From there, we've added a couple different features that I think you're really gonna like. We have a feature here that we can push our bipod forward against. We wanna preload our bipod. There's actually 2 sections that allow you to do that. If that doesn't work for you and you want a little bit more forward push, we've got 2 loops that can be attached to your bipod, and then at that point we can cinch this down, and that allows us to push forward to preload our bipod. Of course, at that point we would be using this pack as our shooting mat. On the back side of the pack, we have shoulder straps with a sternum strap. They're adjustable on the ends, and then the other nice thing is if you are going to drag this through the brush, so we've made a storage compartment that zips shut and gives you a nice clean panel. If you're going to drag that, whether you drag it on this side or the other side, it gives you a nice clean pack. All right, that is the Urban Sniper Pack, available from 511 Tactical.
Hi, I'm Brendan from 511 Tactical. This is the Speed 3.0 Desert Boot with side zip. This boot comes with a suede upper for durability, nylon panels for breathability and durability, traditional lacing, YKK side zipper for easy on and off. The outsole is slip and oil resistant with deep lugs. Also has an internal EVA piece for cushioning. This boot also comes with our standard Ortholite foam for all-day comfort and wear. If you're looking for a great boot for all terrains at a great price, this is the boot for you.
The Rush Delivery series of bags. We have the Mike, the Lima, and the X-Ray, or in civilian terminology, the medium, large, and extra large. The one thing that is the same across all of them is the design. So what we're really talking about here when we talk about the Mike, the Lima, or the X-Ray is how much size you're gonna get in the bag itself. The reinforced carrying handle, it's got a bunch of different attachment points for a carabiner. Throw one on here, you can put your car keys on here. set of handcuffs, whatever it is you want to put on the outside of the bag. Each one of these bags has a dual zippered pockets. These are not connected, they're individual pockets. And the last thing on the front flap is a Velcro system. And if you look closely, this is actually a MOLLE Velcro system. So it could be Velcro, or you could weave a MOLLE attachment point through this should you want to. A nice Nalgene pocket on the outside. It's got a pull strap to hold the tension and keep your objects in. There's two small pouches right here for a small pen light. Front pouch up, you can see that right underneath that flap is a variety of storage options. You have pouches here for spare magazines if need be. You have everything from pen knives to penetrators, flashlights, pens, another knife. Behind all of these admin pouches, you have your first little Velcro pouch. Directly behind that is a secondary pouch where you got all your quick grab stuff. And then the last pouch is a zipper opening, giving you access to a full-size pocket that runs the entire width and length of the front pouch. Making your way to the inside, starting in the back and working our way forward, we have a full-size laptop sleeve that's padded on both sides with a strap that comes over the top and Velcros in to keep your laptop in place. And the Velcro that the laptop attachment strap actually connects to also has a series of pockets for easy access. And on the very front side here, there's two individual mesh pockets with zippers, so you can see what's inside of each one of the mesh pockets. The rest of the bag on the inside is pretty cavernous, actually. It's a lot of space. Flip it over to the back. One full-length zippered pouch. Right inside of here, you have a zipper and then a little bit of an additional retention with the Velcro. Tactical perspective that you don't want people to see when you open up the main compartment. Last thing to cover is the strap, connected with a large Fastech buckle on each side, covered by a piece of elastic to make sure you don't have an accidental activation of the Fastech in and of itself, and to protect the individual pieces. Rush Delivery series of bags, Mike, the Lima, and the X-Ray. The Rush series family of backpacks. We have the 12, 24, and the 72, or another way to think about this is a 3-day, a day, and a half-day backpack. A lot of you guys are probably asking how big of a backpack do I need? And that's what I'm going to try to answer for you. You're going to get an accessory pouch up front. You're going to get a variety of places to store stuff and a variety of zip pockets across all three of these backpacks. Each backpack is going to offer you an ability to have another storage pouch. It's a small individual pocket that has a mesh pocket and just an open space for accessories. The biggest thing that's going to change across this line of backpacks is size. The 72 is going to offer you the most amount of space per pouch per zippered pocket. It's going to come down a little bit on the 24 and down a little bit more on the 12. The 24 opens up. You're going to have the mesh pocket so you can see what's in there. The laptop storage area. It's got a good little retention system. And this is your sunglass pouch, accessible just above the yoke, padded to protect your lenses of your goggles. And all three also, while we're right here at the carrying handle, give you the ability to route the hydration hose. The front end of the pouch got 3 pockets. 2 of them are mesh. One of them is an enclosed nylon pouch. Let's talk about the back. First and foremost, you have the yoke. It's got awesome padding. It's spread wider to help you push that load across your shoulder. All 3 of the backpacks have a chest attachment point and are adjustable for a variety of heights and sizes. Underneath the yoke, you have a padding and air channelization system designed to not only keep the backpack in place with some friction panels to help with the ventilation. One additional thing that you're going to have here on the 24 is an introduction of a side pouch where you can store the Nalgene bottle. Tactical World, you could put an M4 magazine in there. And then when we move from the 24 to the 72, the main design difference you're going to notice is the shove it pouch, which is on the outside. I like to stuff down jackets in here. When I'm getting ready to go to the gym, I'll throw everything I'm going to wear at the gym, my tennis shoes up on top, and you're ready to go. One difference I am going to highlight as you go up in size to the 72, because the load is probably getting a little bit heavier, being able to put some of that weight onto your hips in addition to the shoulder, which is going to help you carry a heavier load for longer. That's why this bag comes with the lateral straps. If you choose not to use that, as some people do, it's fine. Again, the biggest thing you're going to get, guys, the accessory compartments are going to be a little bit larger. The storage options are going to be the same largely across all 3 of the backpacks. What you really get is size. And And this is the Rush series from the 12, the 24, and the 72.
The 511 year-round sock offers superior breathability, moisture management, and antimicrobial performance. This sock is built from trans-dry cotton and copper threads. Designed to complement 511 tactical 6-inch boots and Recon footwear, the comfortable and durable year-round crew sock features NanoGlide technology for enhanced blister protection. Our improved arch and ankle support increases traction and agility. We've added reinforcements at the heel, sole, and toe to maximize cushioning. We've also added a tab top cuff for easy on and off. This is the 511 year-round crew sock.